Well, hello there. When it comes to our bodies, one of the toughest things to tackle is that stubborn belly fat. It just seems to cling on, doesn't it? But don't you worry, because in this video, we're going to reveal the secrets to banishing that bulge. We've got 5 fantastic exercises, tried and tested, that are going to help you win the fight against belly fat. These aren't just any old exercises, mind you. They're specially designed to target your core, fire up your metabolism, and turn you into a lean, mean, fat-burning machine. Stick with me, and we'll unlock the secrets of these exercises together, helping you achieve that trim and toned physique you've always wanted. Let's start with a good old-fashioned exercise, the crunch. Now, don't be fooled by its simplicity. When done properly, the crunch is a powerful tool in your arsenal. I remember watching athletes training once, and their dedication to the crunch was remarkable. Every repetition was controlled and precise, their stomach muscles working hard to chip away at the fat. You see, the crunch isn't just about lifting your upper body, it's about engaging your core, feeling those muscles work with every movement. Think of a sculptor carefully chiseling away at a block of marble, revealing the masterpiece within. That's what the crunch does for your midsection. But it's not just about looks, A strong core is vital for good posture, preventing back pain and improving your overall fitness. It's the foundation of a healthy and active life. Now, when you're doing your crunches, remember quality over quantity. It's not about how many you can do, but how well you engage your core with each one. Feel that burn, embrace the challenge, and watch as the crunch helps you sculpt a flatter, stronger stomach. Start slowly, gradually increasing your repetitions as you get stronger. And remember, consistency is key. Just like a sculptor dedicating hours to their craft, regular crunches will bring the best results. So, embrace the crunch and let it guide you to a more toned and powerful you. Our next stop takes us to an exercise that's all about stillness and strength, the plank. Imagine the incredible strength of a suspension bridge, its cables pulled tight, its structure unyielding. That's the power of the plank, an exercise that transforms your body into a powerhouse of core stability. I once saw someone doing a plank, holding it for what felt like forever. Their body was a straight line from head to toe, radiating quiet strength. You see, the plank isn't about moving, but about endurance, about engaging your core and holding it firm against gravity. It's like a sculptor meticulously smoothing and perfecting their creation. The plank works in a similar way, refining your midsection, tightening your stomach muscles and sculpting a flatter, more toned tummy. But the benefits of the plank go far beyond just looks. A strong core, as we've said, is crucial for overall health and well-being. It's the bedrock of a strong and resilient body capable of handling whatever life throws at you. When you're doing your planks, focus on maintaining perfect form. Keep your body straight, your core engaged, and your mind focused on the challenge. Start with shorter holds, gradually increasing the time as you get stronger. Remember, the plank is a testament to perseverance. It's about digging deep, pushing your limits and discovering the hidden strength within you. So embrace the plank and let it fortify your core, enhance your stability, and empower you on your journey to a healthier, more resilient you. Chapter 3. Bicycle crunches, pedaling your way to a tighter tummy. Our journey now takes us on a ride with the bicycle crunch, an exercise as dynamic as its namesake. Picture, if you will, a cyclist powering up a steep incline, their legs pumping, their core engaged, their determination unwavering. Such is the spirit of the bicycle crunch, a movement that engages your obliques, those often neglected muscles that play a crucial role in shaping a well-defined midsection. I recall observing a group of dancers, their movements fluid and graceful, their cores strong and supple. Their secret, the bicycle crunch, an exercise that not only strengthens the obliques but also improves balance and coordination. It's like a sculptor adding intricate details to their masterpiece, chiseling away at the excess, revealing the elegant lines and curves beneath. The bicycle crunch, with its twisting motion, targets those stubborn love handles, those pockets of fat that often resist even the most diligent efforts. It's like a sculptor meticulously refining the contours of their creation, ensuring every angle is flattering, every detail is defined. But the benefits of the bicycle crunch extend beyond mere aesthetics. Strong obliques contribute to better posture, reduced risk of back pain, and improved athletic performance. They are the unsung heroes of a strong and stable core. When incorporating bicycle crunches into your routine, focus on controlled movements. It's not about speed, but about precision, about feeling those obliques fire with each twist and turn. Start with a manageable number of repetitions, gradually increasing the intensity as your core strength grows. Remember, the bicycle crunch is a journey, not a race. It's about enjoying the process, pushing your limits, and celebrating the progress you make along the way. So hop on board the bicycle crunch and let it guide you towards a more sculpted, more defined, and more powerful you. Chapter 4. Mountain climbers scaling the heights of fat burning. Our ascent now leads us to the exhilarating challenge of mountain climbers, an exercise as invigorating as its namesake. Imagine, if you will, a mountaineer scaling a sheer rock face. Their body a symphony of coordinated movement, their core engaged, their determination unwavering. Such is the spirit of mountain climbers, a dynamic exercise that ignites your metabolism, torches calories, and sculpts your core into a lean, mean, fat-burning machine. I once observed a group of athletes incorporating mountain climbers into their training regimen. Their energy was infectious, their movements precise and powerful, their bodies a testament to the transformative power of this exercise. It's like a sculptor working with fervent passion, their tools moving with purpose and precision, revealing the masterpiece hidden within the stone. Mountain climbers, with their rapid alternating leg movements, elevate your heart rate, sending a surge of energy throughout your body. It's like a sculptor breathing life into their creation, infusing it with vitality and dynamism. This cardiovascular challenge not only burns calories, but also improves your endurance, strengthens your core, and sculpts your entire midsection. But the benefits of mountain climbers extend beyond the physical. This exercise demands focus, coordination, and a relentless spirit, qualities that translate into other aspects of life. It's about pushing your limits, embracing the burn, and discovering the depths of your own resilience. When incorporating mountain climbers into your routine, focus on maintaining proper form. Keep your core engaged, your back straight, and your movements controlled. Start with shorter intervals, gradually increasing the duration and intensity as your fitness level improves. Remember, the mountain climber is a metaphor for life's challenges. It's about setting your sights high, embracing the climb, and celebrating the victories along the way. So gear up, embrace the challenge of mountain climbers, and let this exhilarating exercise propel you towards a fitter, stronger, and more resilient you. Chapter 5. Leg raises, elevating your core strength and fitness. Our final ascent brings us to the leg raise, an exercise that embodies control, precision, and core strength. Imagine a gymnast executing a perfect handstand, their core engaged, their movements controlled and graceful. Leg raises target your lower abs, crucial for a well-defined midsection. Pilates practitioners perform leg raises with effortless grace. Their movements are fluid, their breathing controlled. It's like a sculptor refining a masterpiece, ensuring every line is flawless. Leg raises engage your lower abs, strengthening the entire abdominal wall. This exercise helps flatten the lower belly, reduce lower back pain, and improve core stability. A strong core is essential for posture, balance, and athletic performance. Focus on maintaining proper form, keeping your back flat, and movements controlled. Remember, leg raises are a journey of progression, not perfection. Embrace the leg raise and elevate your fitness journey to new heights. And there you have it. We've reached the end of our journey, having explored the power of 5 fantastic exercises that can help you say goodbye to belly fat and hello to a stronger, more toned you. Remember, these exercises are more than just movements. They're tools designed to engage your core, boost your metabolism, and unlock your body's fat-burning potential. Your journey to a flatter, stronger core starts today. Include these exercises in your routine, challenge yourself, and celebrate your progress. Remember, Consistency is key, and with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve the transformation you desire. As the ancient Greek physician Hippocrates once said, if we could give every individual the right amount of nourishment and exercise, not too little and not too much, we would have found the safest way to health. Let these words guide you on your fitness journey, and may you discover the joy of a healthier, stronger, and more vibrant you.